Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to clear cache in your laptop. First, you need to search for disk cleanup. You need to open and you will see this window. So here you need to select which drive you want to clean up and click on OK. So after that, a new window will pop in your screen. All you need to do is check all these folders and click on clean up system files. Again, click on OK. So it will clean all those folders. Now again, you will need to check all these folders, and now again click on OK and click on delete files. So this will delete all the unnecessary files in your PC. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.